So one of my most memorable projects here at Steel Warehouse, we had a crane that was giving us problems for 2 months. I worked a 17-hour shift one day and a 22-hour shift the following day to get this crane to where it was operational for production. We were weeks behind on coil production in our annealing department. Got them wired up, programmed them, and following morning, so 39 hours and 2 days, we had it up and running. My name is Ben Hollingsworth. My job title is Electrical Maintenance Supervisor at Steel Warehouse. An electrical supervisor is someone who manages and supervises all the electricians and apprentices we have on staff. What I like most about my job here at Steel Warehouse is the everyday challenges. My goal is to learn something new every day. I went through building trades in high school, and we built an entire house from the ground up. So I worked with a journeyman electrician during the building process, and I really became very interested in it. And so I ended up going through Welsh & Sons Electric during the summer, and I started as their shop boy handling all their material and prepping material for different jobs and delivering them to job sites. And then eventually I moved into helping the guys on the job. So I started my application process while still in high school. I went to the Union Hall, the apprenticeship hall for 153 here in South Bend, and I filled out my application, got a testing date. I took all my testing while still in school, and then went through the interview process with the IBEW, and I graduated on a Friday from high school, and the following Monday I started my apprenticeship with Kuntz Wagner at Notre Dame. When I first got done with my apprenticeship, I traveled all over the country for 7.5 years, doing anything from lighting upgrades, machine installs, oil field, mining, just a wide variety of different trades and different fields of the electrical trade. Some advice I would give to somebody that wants to be an electrician: there's plenty of electrical apprenticeships out there. I mean, they're all over the place. You get online and look. That's the first place to start. You can be an electrician and work in multiple different areas.